The deadline to lodge your Australian tax is nearly here, but it doesn't have to be stressful if you have the right information. In fact, most international students look forward to tax time because many will get money back after completing their tax return. Why is this? If you are on a student visa and working 20 hours or a week or less, then the chances are that you're earning under the tax-free threshold, which is 18,200. Also, as a new migrant or resident in Australia, knowing what to do when it comes to lodging your tax return is very important. So, to make sure you're prepared, in this video, we will talk about everything you need to know about how to do a tax return in Australia. Hi, I'm Buki Adelaja and you're watching another episode on the Youenrol channel. Our mission is to make your life easier by being your go-to destination for up-to-date information about studying, living and working in Australia. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos when they are released. The first question is, do you have to lodge a tax return? If you've earned money while in Australia, then it's very likely that you will need to lodge a tax return. Most international students studying for more than 6 months are considered Australian residents for tax purposes, which means that you have to declare your income on a tax return. There are limited circumstances where you might not have to lodge a tax return. To find out for sure, do check out the Do You Need to Lodge a Tax Return page on the Australian Tax Office website or ATO website. If you don't lodge a tax return, you still need to inform the ATO, so make sure that you know what to do. When do you have to do it? Tax returns cover the financial year from the 1st of July to 30th of June, which is the financial year. Between the 1st of July to the 31st of October is a time period in which individuals can lodge tax returns. So how do you lodge tax returns? The quickest, easiest way is to lodge a tax return online on the My Tax page on the ATO website. You'll be prompted to create a MYGOV account and link it to the ATO. Then, just follow the instructions to fill out your return online. My Tax is quick, easy and safe and a secure way to lodge your tax return online. It's web-based, so you don't need to download anything. You can lodge on a range of devices, whether it's computer, smartphone or tablet. Just make sure to lodge your tax by the deadline 31st of October. You can also lodge with a registered tax agent. A list of tax agents is available on the Tax Practitioners Board website, and make sure you only use a registered agent. You can also lodge a paper tax return. Use the Tax Help program, which is a program run by trained volunteers to assist people on low incomes to do their tax returns. Check out their website to see if you're eligible. So what will you need to get started? To get started with ATO online services for individuals and sole traders, follow these 2 steps. Create a MYGOV account and then, secondly, link your MYGOV account to the ATO. Creating the MYGOV account is a fast, simple way to access government services online. A secure MYGOV account lets you link a range of Australian government services with one username and password all in one place. Make sure you add your mobile number in order to use SMS code as your sign-in option for MYGOV. It's a quick and secure way to sign in and access ATO online services. If you already have a MYGOV account but you've forgotten your username or even your password, select the links to recover your username or to recover your password. To link your MYGOV account to the ATO, what you need to do is to select the Services tab on your MYGOV homepage and then select Australian Taxation Office. You will be prompted to update your sign-in option to use security codes if you did not add your mobile number when creating your MYGOV account. You will need to provide additional information to identify your ATO record, and this includes your given name, surname, tax file number, and your date of birth. You will then need to confirm your identity by answering 2 specific questions that are specific to you. You will need your tax file number or TFN if you don't have one. If you don't have one, you need to apply for it through the ATO. You will need to prove your identity by providing your tax file number, name, and also your date of birth. You will also need a photo ID such as a passport. You will need your PAYG payment summaries. After the 30th of June, your employers should provide you with a payment summary. These provide details of the amount you've earned and also the amount you've been taxed. You will use this information to fill out your tax form. Your employer might send you the PAYG summary in the mail, or they may provide it to you online. Employers should give this to the employees by the 14th of July. Do note that following some recent changes to payment summaries, you may not receive a payment summary from your employer this year. Many employers are now required to report their employees' income tax and also their superannuation information directly to the ATO each payday, so you can find all your information in one place when you need it. If you use a registered tax agent to prepare your income tax return, you don't need to do anything. The ATO provides agents with a direct link to this information so that they are fully equipped to lodge your tax return as well. If you lodge your own tax return, you can access your payment summary information, now called income statement, at any time through ATO online services in MYGOV. If you don't have a MYGOV account, creating one is easy. If you can't access your information through MYGOV, you can contact the ATO for a copy of your income statement. Where do you go for help? The ATO website is the #1 place to go with questions about tax. Your university student or financial services might also offer advice to help you with your tax. How long does it take to get a tax refund? If you lodge your tax return online, you will most likely get your refund in about 2 weeks. If it's lodged by mail, it will take about 6 weeks. Hope you found the information in this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them in the comment section below this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Also, click the bell icon to find out when we release new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.